We're keeping the science growing. Tonight, we check in with Storm Team 10's Joseph Dames about spring wildflowers and that fresh spring smell.
The Virginia bluebells are beautiful.
They sure are, and such tiny flowers taking over the enormous forest floor. It's the short gap of the spring season.
This is the time of year that the woods around you just explode in this beautiful carpet of wildflowers. These are all native to Indiana, most of the Midwest. They're called spring ephemerals because they'll only last a little bit of time.
Before they disappear, let's check some out.
This is Spring Beauty, Virginia bluebell. This is the white trout lily, the yellow trout lily. This is phlox. This is buttercup.
And last but not least,
this is called prairie trillium.
they all aid in the process of early pollination, and they're a food source for those bees, flies, and more. But not only do they attract those pollinators, but they also attract us with their smell. But it's not just the flowers that are creating that breath of earthy spring air.
You can smell spring, and there's actually something to it. It has a name. It's called petrichor. It's the smell of the chemicals that come out of the ground when the ground thaws and the spring rains come. The soil is filled with microorganisms. They're filled with bacteria, they're filled with fungus. And those organisms right now, this time of year, are starting to grow, and they release chemicals that give that earthy smell, that spring smell.
Which is a spring combination that makes the outdoors the place to be. In Terre Haute, Joseph Dames, News 10.
Wildflowers only last about 2 weeks before their life cycle restarts, so now is the time to get out there and enjoy the little ground flowers.